Hello, trading is closed on March the 7th, 2018. We had a few calls. We said the pattern tended to have an early high, tended to rally into the close near the high. That's what happened, although this drop here wasn't really part of my plans. We said that the huge drop in overnight trading yesterday tended to be recovered quickly and completely, and in fact we did close over yesterday. We did trade over yesterday's close at one point, so it was all recovered. This looks like a strong rally. I don't think so, and I think this is probably the end of this leg. Let's go over the reasons. First of all, anyone who thinks that the market's healthy with this big recovery should look at this breadth indicator, which just didn't respond. Despite this huge rally, we couldn't close over these highs from yesterday's trading. That's not good. During the day, MEJT said that this rally is a false move. Said optionally we'll undercut this price, but we have a target to undercut or to trade at 2702.37, most likely by Friday's open. The ultimate buy signal worked, but MEJT says the whole rally is false and will retrace. There's also an optional target of 2703.32. Before tomorrow closes, this will print 95% of the time. A 95% isn't 100%, but I think it's pretty good odds. Here's why I think the party's over. Let me come back. Well, I'll find the right one eventually. The main idea is that here's wave one. We have an ABC, and we're looking for this one to end. One has ended. We're looking for the wave two to end. If you look here, here's your one, here's your A, here's your B, here's your C. C is equal to a nice Fibonacci percentage of wave A. It's also a 50% retracement of the first leg down. This is just a false bottom, which is a retest of the low which goes under it. So you have good Fibonacci numbers there. If you just look at this last leg up, here's your A, here's your B, here's your C, and the A, B, C has perfect Fibonacci ratios too. So this was my time. This late high on March the 7th wasn't the exact high, but it's close enough and the time is close enough so that if this works, that's going to work. My price target for the high was 27.46. We came within 14 points, a half 1%. If that is in fact the high, that's close enough for me. If we do, thought I arranged this in the right order before I started. If we do drop, and if this drop here is at least equal to this drop here, we'll hit 23.89. And if it's a 161 percentage, we'll go under 2200. If you take a fib target of this consolidation, instead of 14.6%, you get a Fibonacci hit at the same 23.89 level. So I would expect some support at that price if we do start dropping tomorrow. And even if we don't hit this level, that's still a pretty healthy drop. If the call is right, if this is the end of this wave, I think it'll be obvious pretty early tomorrow. So we have an optional target, 2703.32, 95% chance it prints tomorrow. We have a target which will print well over 99+% of the time at some time, most likely by Friday. I'm looking for a big down move to start tomorrow. And if it's wrong, if the call's wrong, it should be obvious pretty early in the day. And that's today's call.